أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Surah Sad, verses 27 to 40 serve as a warning to the polytheists, emphasizing that Allah did not create the heavens, the earth, and everything in between them without purpose. The Quran was revealed to provide guidance and a means for people to take heed. The narrative also highlights the life of Prophet Solomon, showcasing how Allah granted him unparalleled grandeur and dominion. Despite such immense blessings, Prophet Solomon remained humble, constantly turning to Allah in repentance and seeking forgiveness rather than succumbing to arrogance or pride.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وما خلقنا السماء والأرض وما بينهما باطلا
And we did not create the heavens, the earth, and whatever is in between them, without a purpose.
ذلك ظن الذين كفروا فويل للذين كفروا من النار
But that is the assumption of those who disbelieve. So, woe and destruction from the hellfire for those who disbelieve.
أم نجعل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات كالمفسدين في الأرض أم نجعل المتقين كالفجار
Do these disbelievers think that we shall reward those who believe and do righteous deeds, like that of those who spread corruption on earth? Or that we shall treat God-fearing like those who are wicked?
كتاب أنزلناه إليك مبارك ليدبروا آياته وليتذكر أولو الألباب
This book, the Quran, which we have revealed to you, O Prophet, is full of blessings, and its purpose is that people may reflect upon its verses, and so that those endowed with wisdom may heed to its advice.
ووهبنا لداود سليمان نعم العبد إنه أواب
And we blessed David with a son, Solomon. He was an excellent servant of Allah, who often turned in devotion to us.
إذ عرض عليه بالعشي الصافنات الجياد
Behold, when swift-footed steeds were presented before him in the afternoon.
فقال إني أحببت حب الخير عن ذكر ربي
And he said, Alas! I did love the good things these horses instead of remembering my Lord in my afternoon prayer.
حتى توارت بالحجاب ردوها علي
Till the time was over, and the sun had hidden in the veil of night. Then he said, Bring them back to me.
فطفق مسحا بالسوق والأعناق
Then he began to pass his hand over their legs and their necks.
ولقد فتنا سليمان وألقينا على كرسيه جسدا ثم أناب
And we put Solomon to the test by placing a mere body upon his throne, then he immediately turned to Allah in repentance.
قال رب اغفر لي وهب لي ملكا لا ينبغي لأحد من بعدي إنك أنت الوهاب
And he said, My Lord, forgive me and bless me with a kingdom, the like of which shall not be granted to anyone after me. Indeed, you are the great bestower.
فسخرنا له الريح تجري بأمره رخاء حيث أصاب
So we subjugated to him the mighty wind, blowing gently by his command to wherever he directed.
والشياطين كل بناء وغواص.
And we also subjugated the jinn to him, all kinds of skilled builders and divers.
وآخرين مقرنين في الأصفاد.
And some others of the jinn who were bound in chains for him.
هذا عطاؤنا فامنن أو أمسك بغير حساب.
And we said, O Solomon, this is our gift, so grant freely or withhold as you wish, without reckoning from us.
وإن له عندنا لزلفى وحسن مآب.
And indeed, for him, is a status of closeness to us, and an excellent abode in the hereafter.